Morning, people. I don't know what you guys do with the ash from your barbecue, but I always spread it on my plants. I'm going to spread some on the apple tree. Actually, this time, I'll give it all to the apple tree. I always spread the ashes. Oh my God, look at this bird. Hold on, everybody. Look at this bird. Do you see it? It's yellow. Look at it. Oh my God, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, little bird. Oh, you're bright yellow. Oh my gosh, you're gorgeous. Hi, little bird. Hi, little bird. Hi, little bird. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, oh my gosh. It's even closer. I want you guys to see it. Look, it's on the fence right there. Oh, look at it. Do you see it? I can't see it. There it is. Oh, you're beautiful. I can barely see it. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Never seen one of those before. Wonder what it was. Anyway, I put the ashes from my barbecue on my plants. In my mind, it really helps them out. Wow. Now I'm just in awe about that bird. The most beautiful yellow. It was gorgeous. I have no idea what kind of bird that was. See, little things, little tiny things like that really just make my morning. I'm trying to put this back while I'm holding you guys in my hand. There we go. Wow, that bird was amazing. It's gorgeous. I've never seen a bright yellow bird like that before. See, little tiny things like that can spark even a few seconds of joy in your heart are really worth it. So I stretched the fence a little bit further. I'm going to cut some more fence tonight. String it a little bit further. I'm doing the best I can considering I need a chainsaw, I need all kinds of other stuff. But I'm doing it with what I have so I don't have to spend a bunch of money. Eventually I am going to get a chainsaw though, but not right this minute. I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Get outside, get outside, get outside. Hydrate. And I will talk to you guys later. Like, subscribe, share. I'm going to be downloading, I'm going to try to download a app onto my laptop so that I can edit my videos and make them a little more interesting for you guys. Mine are all pretty raw videos. Little or no editing, and I don't know if you guys like that. I know all the big channels have all this fancy shit. All this shit's edited and fancy, and mine's just raw. Here I am videoing a bunch of shit. Take it as it is. Unedited, basically, for the most part. So, let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. Bye.